In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of objects in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Next, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on projects. Now, when you click on projects, all of your current designs that you're working on will be presented to you. Next, just click on the specific project that you would like to change the color of the objects for. And once you do, Canva will open up that project in a new window inside of Canva's design editor. Now, click on the specific object that you'd like to change the color for, and you will see a top row of options appear. You want to click on edit, and when you do that, you will see an edit image side peak expand, and you want to click on adjust, which is under tools. So you click on adjust, and when you click on adjust, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see a section called color edit. Now you'll see the different color palettes for the different sections of your object. So for the apple, let's change the red. Let's change the red to a different color. So when you click on a specific color, you'll be presented with three sections that you can edit. So you've got hue, saturation, and brightness. So for the hue, you can use the slider to change the color by sliding either to the left or to the right, or you can manually click into the value field and add a value that you would like instead of using the slider bar. So let's make it a blue apple. So the next is the saturation, and it's the exact same. You can use the slider, or you can input a specific value into the field. And then next is the brightness of the object, if you would like to change that. And then now we click onto the other color palette, and let's change this to an orange. So just like with the first one, we've got the exact same slider options, and we can change the brightness as well if we would like. Now we can do the same thing to the basketball. So we click on it, and the menu of options will appear. At the top, click on edit, come down to adjust, which is in the tools section, and scroll all the way down to color edit, and click on the first palette, and we can adjust the color using the drag. So now we've got a green basketball. Then we click onto the second color palette, and we can further change the color of this object. We can change the saturation, and we can change the brightness of the object. And if ever you would like to reset the configurations or adjustments inside of the adjust side peak, you can click on reset adjustments, and it'll reset everything to the default values. You can also use the undo and the redo symbol icons by simply just clicking on them in the top section of your Canva design editor. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you had any struggles along the way, or if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video.